Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, welcome back to the session. Today we are going to discuss alternating current and direct current. So our topic has two parts. First one is AC and the second one is DC. AC means alternating current and DC means direct current. First we will discuss alternating current. Alternating current can be defined as a current which keeps reversing or changing its polarity or direction after a regular interval of time is called alternating current. It will be more clear if you look at here in this figure. We have an AC source which provides AC current, and consumer which consumes this energy, and a conducting wire which connect source and consumer in the circuit. So now look at here, the positive terminal of this AC source is represented by A and the negative terminal is represented by B. So we have discussed that in calculations or in theoretical studies we take conventional current, that current which flows from positive to negative terminal of the battery. Now look at here, this current will flow from point A through resistor and then to point B. Now in AC currents, after a fixed period of time, or you can say after a regular period of time, the current will flow from point B to point A by flowing through the resistor. So as you can see that the current change or reverse its polarity or direction. Now we will come to discuss the regular interval of time. That what is meaning of regular interval of time or a fixed time? Means when the current flow from point A to point B is 2 seconds or 3 seconds. So the current flow from point B to point A will also be 2 seconds. Means these two flow will have a fixed time that we call a regular interval of time. So this was the AC current. Now let's look at this figure. We have variation of voltage with time in AC, that how alternating current change its direction. Here we have x-axis and y-axis, and x-axis. On y-axis we have voltage and on x-axis we have time. So, and this is the separating line. What does it separates? It separates the directions of the current. Means when the current flow from point A to point B, it is represented by the line or the above portion of the line. Like here you can see this upper portion from the line. These waves, these sinusoidal waves represent the positive direction of the current. And when the direction of the current is reversed, like here from B to A, so it will, now here in this graph, this change in the direction is shown by the portion below the line. Means this half cycle is for positive half cycle when the current flow from A to B, and these half cycles are the cycles when the current flow from point B to A. And one thing more, that the magnitude of the positive half cycle and the negative half cycle will always be equal. That's why we have discussed regular time interval in the definition. So this was all about AC current. Now we will move to the next part of our topic, that is direct current. Direct current can be defined as a current which does not change its polarity and remains unidirectional is called direct current. Here you can see that we have discussed that in AC the direction of the current changed, but in direct current the direction of the current will not be reversed or will not change its polarity. It will flow from point A to B and continue its motion. This type of current is called direct current, and the source of the direct current is a battery or a cell, while the source of AC current is generator, or we can produce it in power plants. The current, AC current, or the current which we can use or which we are using in our homes, that is alternating current. Now come to the voltage time variation of the direct current. Now look at here, as I told you that the direct current does not change its polarity. So this line represents the polarity, and it is draw or it will flow in a straight line, means its direction is not changing. So dear students, this was all about AC and DC current. If you have any question, you can ask in comment below. Till next session, have a good time and stay safe at homes. Thank you.